Welcome. Bia Kamal. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about newer alphabets based on Latin scripts. Um, so, if you are new to this channel, before we proceed, okay, I would like you to help me by subscribing. All right. Learn Tognat or newer alphabetical based on Latin script and consists of characters that represent the unique phonetic sound of the Nuer language. So these are the Nuer alphabetical order. I'm going to read um, each letter by letter so that you can have a good understanding how you can pronounce this Nuer alphabetical order. So the first one is A. In English, I think you can pronounce it like A, but this is A, E, E, O, U. A, E, E, O, U. Wa, Wa, Ya, Ba, Pa. This is Ba, Pa, Ma. Wa, Ya, Ba, Pa, Ma. Na, 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 Nga, Nya, Nya, Ra. Da, Za, Za, Ta, Sa, La. Da, Za, Ta, Sa, La. Ka, Ga, Ha, Sha, Ja. Ka, Ga, Ha, Sha, Ja. E, H, O, O. Name E, O. This is O. O. Well, these are alphabetical order for Nuer. Um, Kalada here. Name usually A. Name usually A. Name usually E. Name usually O. Name usually U. Okay. Name A, E, E, O, U. Name usually Wa. Chitka Wang Mugor Wang. Wang, Wang. Ya Mugor Yang. Yang. Ba Mugor Bull. Bull. Pa. Guasame. Mugor Pal. Pal. Ma. Mugori Mong. Mong. Na Mugorin Nas. Nas. Na Mugorin Nial. Nial. Nga Mugorin Ngwan. Ngwan. Nya Mugori Nyaluak. Nyaluak. Ra Mugori Run. Ke Rach. Rach. Da Mugori Dul. Dul. Da Mugori Dol. Dol. Ta Mugori Toot. Toot. Ta Mugori Tok. Tok. La Mugori Lul. Lul. Ka Mugori Quer. Quer. Ga Mugori Gur. Gur. Ha Mugori Hen. Hen Ke Hon. Sha Mugori Chwech. Chwech. Ja Mugori Jur. Jur. E Guasame. Sianen neme E, neme H, neme O, neme O. Titi chwalka ke bani yuali, chaka tuoko duo la latkene ke derita. A, E, I, O, Hu. Keditini la latkene ke derit ka, jela la dianon, chaka tuoke riet. Dio jo kon kel. Well, I would like you to share it with your friend. So come back for more. In the next lesson, I will bring you the vowel sound and some of the added alphabetical order for Tungnat. Let me meet on the next lesson. Bye bye.